To link connect Mailchimp to Learnworlds, start by logging into your Learnworlds account and navigating to the Integrations section. Click on the Add New Integration button and search for Mailchimp. Then select the Mailchimp option and click Connect. You will be redirected to the Mailchimp website where you will be prompted to log into your Mailchimp account. Enter your Mailchimp login credentials and click Login. Once logged in, you will be asked to authorize Learnworlds to access your Mailchimp account. Click Allow to proceed. After authorization, you will be redirected back to the Learnworlds integrations page, where you will see the Mailchimp integration listed as connected. Now you can configure the integration settings to specify which Mailchimp list you want to sync with Learnworlds and what data you want to share between the two platforms. In the integration settings, you can choose to sync your Learnworlds students with a specific Mailchimp list, and also choose what data to share, such as email address, name, and course enrollment data. Make sure to save your changes after configuring the integration settings. To test the integration, enroll a student in a course in Learnworlds and then check your Mailchimp list to see if the student has been added. You can also use the integration to automate email marketing campaigns and workflows based on student enrollment and course completion data. Best practices for linking Connect Mailchimp to Learnworlds include regularly checking the integration for any errors or sync issues, and also making sure to keep your Mailchimp list organized and up to date. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully link Connect Mailchimp to Learnworlds and start automating your email marketing and student communication workflows.